Is it possible to earn over $100 daily on Swagbucks? Or will you only be able to buy an extra cup of coffee every month? In this video, we're going to quickly break down the major things you need to know about Swagbucks and throw in a few tips and tricks at you that should help you maximize your earning potential. By the end of this video, you will know if Swagbucks is worth it for you. So, if you don't already know, Swagbucks is a website that allows users to earn points called Swagbucks for completing various online activities such as surveys, playing games, shopping online, doing polls, etc. These points can then be redeemed for rewards such as cash through PayPal or a wide variety of gift cards from retailers like Amazon, Apple, eBay, Walmart, or Starbucks. Swagbucks is a legit platform that has been around since 2008 and has a large user base. It claims to have paid out over $800 million to its users. Before you get too excited and go sign up, you should know that Swagbucks is not available in all countries, but they are expanding. Also, your potential to earn will depend mainly on your geographical location. Swagbucks offers numerous ways to earn Swagbucks. Taking surveys, watching videos using the mobile app, completing offers, exploring the web, playing games, and shopping online are the most prevalent ways. Each activity's availability and reward may vary, but there are usually lots of possibilities to pick from. The choice is yours, and Swagbucks has a user-friendly interface across its platforms, which makes it easy to locate existing earning opportunities. It is important to know that earning Swagbucks can take a lot of time, especially if you're only earning through surveys and playing games. Surveys are not always available, and generally you only earn a couple of cents after completing one. You may also be disqualified from a survey, which will result in you not getting the total Swagbucks that is allotted to the survey, and only getting 1 or 2 Swagbucks from it. As for playing games, you generally have to reach some very high levels to be able to earn Swagbucks, and you can be disqualified from these as well, and you won't be notified as to the reason why. You will need to accumulate over a certain threshold before you can redeem rewards, based on the value of the available rewards. I would not advise anyone to use Swagbucks as a primary source of income unless you can effectively utilize the tips I will share with you at the end of the video. Currently, the conversion rate is 100 Swagbucks for $1. So, if you want to earn $25, you would need to accumulate 2,500 Swagbucks. Swagbucks earnings depend on the activity you carry out and your frequency of carrying out the activities. However, this is also based on the availability of activities that fit your geographical location. Swagbucks is a support tool that can help you with any problems or questions you may have. For those who require assistance, they feature an online help center, a frequently asked questions area, and an email support. However, I haven't seen any method that you can use to have a conversation with them. Swagbucks has gotten thousands of reviews, most of which are good reviews, saying that it's a good website, the cash out is hassle-free, they enjoy the extra income, and they have been using it for years. However, there are a few negative reviews that we should not ignore. Customers complain about their accounts being deactivated for no reason after earning thousands of Swagbucks. They also complain about the difficulty of cashing out, which includes the need for a photo ID to claim rewards. And a lot of negative reviews said that it is a waste of time. If you are still here, this is what you have been waiting for. Tips and tricks to increase your earning potential. Firstly, if you haven't signed up as yet, do not sign up without using a referral link. This will give you a little head start on your earnings because you will get a sign up bonus of up to $10. You can use my link in the description to sign up. Next, don't overlook Swag-Ups. There are bonuses that are applied to your account that increase your earning potential. You will have to make use of them before they expire. Complete your to-do list, which allows you to get a bonus for completing a set number of tasks, which will also give Swagbucks. You can also become a Swagbucks member, which based on your level will unlock a lot of bonuses and rewards, up to 25,000 Swagbucks one-time bonus when you get to level 10. Next, use swag codes, which give you a few free Swagbucks. You can always just do a quick search online for these codes. One of the ways you can make over $100 on Swagbucks is through signups. However, this is location specific and may not apply to you. One of the best ways to make money on Swagbucks is by shopping online. When you shop online, you can get cashback plus discounts on your purchases with some of your favorite online stores like Amazon, Walmart, Best Buy, and eBay. The best method I have learned for earning Swagbucks is from a YouTuber by the name of Mike Vestil. With this tip, it is possible for you to generate $100 every day if done properly. This is done by pairing your online shopping with your business if you buy and sell products. This way, you'll be getting a lot of cash back plus the profit you get from selling the products. The link to his video is in the description. There are plenty of other websites on the market like this, but Swagbucks has stood out as one of the best, and they have a track record of being honest about their business practices. The company has an A- rating with the Better Business Bureau. There are some pros and cons to using Swagbucks, but you can make money. However, your ability to earn will depend on your geographical location. Thank you for watching. If you like more content like this and content geared towards your personal development, please subscribe.